This is a review of the TREEZITEK 2-tier plant stand that we're going to be doing a review and install on, in which the brand sent me out this product as a gift that we're going to be putting this to a test to. And in this review and install, we are going to put everything together and show you guys the finished results. Without getting further, let's install it and show you guys the finished results. Okay, so step number one, you get your base right over here, and then you get the stands that comes with provided. So there's 3 of them, and there's total of 6 screws that you're going to use for each one of them. So there's 2 right over here, 2 right over here, and then there's 2 right over here that you're going to use those 6 screws provided. And from there, you install it onto the base that comes with the holes right over here, and then you should be good to go. Okay, so step number one should be looking something like this, and from there you proceed on to the next step. Okay, so step number 2 is very simple and easy. All you have to do is get your 3 C's, and from there it'll lock in place just like that with the metal. So you just, slide in like that, and it locks in place just like that. Okay, so this is the finished results of the 2-tier plant table stand. You can see how beautiful it turned out. You can see I placed my remote control right over here for my TV. And right over here is my plant stand right over here. And it's nice and sturdy. I love the construction of the material as well. Really high quality wood piece material. And the stands are also very high quality as well too, to make the table stand. And you can see on the bottom, you could put other stuff underneath as well. And I put my remote control right over here. One thing I also love about this product as well too, it comes with the Allen head key provided as well for the install job. And it's really high quality as well. A huge plus for them to provide that as well. But I would definitely recommend the TREEZITEK 2-tier plant table stand if you are looking for a sturdy table stand to put your remote control, a plant, like you can see I put a plant right over here, and you want to display your plants or anything you want to put on this table stand. I would definitely recommend this because of the fact that it's very nice and sturdy, and also it's very lightweight and portable as well too. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this 2-tier plant table stand if you're looking for a table stand to put around your home. Then this one right over here from TREEZITEK is by far one of the best ones that you could get.